Kicks of Route 66 State Park, historic Route 66, here in St. Louis with ComputerChick Productions. Welcome everyone. Today on Outdoors with ComputerChick, we are walking the historic Route 66 State Park Trail. It's there's parts of it that the original bridge from the 1940s, 50s back are still intact today. This is a little gym just right here, just not too far from where I live, that we're exploring. And it's also now a state park. So stay tuned and let's enjoy Outdoors with ComputerChick Productions at Route 66 State Park. Stay tuned. You know, there's sometimes in our journey in life that when you get outside and you find stuff that are free, that you can enjoy history, enjoy the outdoors. This is part of the trail of Route 66 State Park. I will put it in the description. We are walking towards the bridge. It's still intact, well, not intact, but the frame's still there of the old Route 66 bridge. So stay tuned and enjoy Outdoors with ComputerChick Productions. Thank you. A neat little gym here on the trail. A dedication to Thomas Mann Sr. November 25th, 1956 to January 28th, 2015. If you want to stop and relax while you're walking the trail, and you can sit and enjoy nature. Looks like the woodchucks or the beavers have already gotten at this because, well, something's been getting at it. But you can sit here and take a rest and enjoy the sounds of nature. And here we have it, folks. The original Route 66 bridge. This goes over the Merrimack River. This is a little piece of history of the state park. Route 66 State Park. That you can get outside and enjoy nature and see for yourself. This was saved from demolition and there are funds right now to try to get this refurbished, and I'll post a link in the description. You know, this is a piece of history that we have to save. I will post a link. This is the we're at the historic 66 State Park, and apparently there's a website to try to get this restored. Piece of history. And sorry for the ambiance because there's a highway, the new highway. It goes right by it. I hope you can hear me. Isn't that a piece of history? Right here and enjoy in the outdoors. That way, in between the trees is the Merrimack River. We are continuing our journey on Route 66 State Park. Be sure to check out Mario Kid 078 because Diddy Kong Diddy Kong is going to make an appearance in Mario Kid 078's video because he's videoing as well. So be sure to check him out, like, share, and subscribe. And we're going to continue our journey walking the trail at Route 66 State Park. Thank you for tuning in, everyone.